Hello friends, in last lecture we have discussed how to find out the mode of a group data. So the mode is denoted by Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You already know how to find out the value of L, F1, F0, F2 and H. We have already solved first three examples of exercise number 14.2, that is how to find out the mode of a group data. So today let us start the example number 4. How to find out the mode of a data. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary school of India. Find the mode of the data. Well, classes are given to you. The first class is 15 to 20. Second 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50 and 50 to 55. Frequencies is also given to you. So the frequency is 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0 and 2. Well, now the formula to find out Z is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F2 minus F0 into H. You know how to find out L. So the class against highest frequency is known as model class. So here highest frequency is 10 and that's why 30 to 35 is your model class. So model class is equal to 30 to 35. And that's why your L is equal to 30. Now frequency against this model class is known as F1. So here F1 is equal to 10. The frequency of a class previous to model class is known as F0. So F0 is equal to 9. Now frequency of a class next to a model class, that is known as F2. So F2 is equal to 3. The value of H is equal to 20 minus 15, or you can say 25 minus 20 means 5. Now put the value, you can easily find out the value of a mode, that is Z. So Z is equal to 30 plus F1 means 10, F0 means 9 upon 2 into F1 means 10 minus 9 and minus 3 into 5 is equal to 30 plus 10 minus 9, 1, 5 are 5 upon 10 2s are 20 minus 9 minus 3 minus 12. So the final answer is 30 plus 5 upon 8. So when you divide 5 by 8, 0.08 6 48. So you get 2. So that is 0.6. So 30 plus 0.6 is equal to 30.6 is your mode of the example number 4. Very simple example. Find out the highest frequency. The class against highest frequency is known as model class. So from model class you can easily find out L. Similarly, you can also find out F1, F0 and F2. You know how to find out the value of H. Put the value of L, F1, F0, F2 and H in this given formula. Solve this example. Multiply and divide. You will get your answer, that is mode of a data. Well, so here we have completed example number 4 of exercise number 14.2. Now question number 5. Again, this exercise is for mode of a data. Now let me start example number 5 of exercise number 14.2. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in a one-day international cricket match. Well, so classes are given to you. So the first class, that is 3000 to 4000. Next one 4000 to 5000. 5000 to 6000. 6000 to 7000. 7000 to 8000. 8000 to 9000. 9000 to 10,000. And 10,000 to 11,000. That is for total. Now the frequency is also given to you. 489, 489, 763, 1 and 1. Well, so here also your question is to find out the mode of the data. Well, find out the highest frequency first. You know the highest frequency is 18. So the class against highest frequency is 4000 to 5000. So first of all, let me write down the formula. Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F2 minus F0 into H. So here model class is equal to 4000 to 5000 and therefore L is equal to 4000. The frequency against model class is known as F1. So friends, F1 is equal to 80. The frequency of previous class, that is known as F0, is equal to 4. Here F2 means next frequency and that is 9, and here H is equal to 4000 minus 3000 means 1000. Now put the value in formula. So Z is equal to L. L means 4000 plus F1 means 18 minus F0 means 4 upon 2. F1 means 18 minus F0 means 4 minus 9 into 1000, because in this example the value of H, or you can say class length, is 1000. So Z is equal to 4000 plus 18 minus 4 means 14 into 1000 upon 18 to 36 minus 13. 9 plus 4, 13. So Z is equal to 4000 plus 14000 upon 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 23. So here you have to divide 14,000 by 23. So if you divide 4,000 plus, if you divide 14,000 by 23, you get 608.5, something that is approximately, and that's why the value of Z is equal to 4608.5 is your answer, and that is the mode of a given data. Well, so we have completed example number 4 as well as example number 5. Simple formula is there. So first of all, write down the formula. Find out the value from the table. And for this, you have to find out model class. And you know the class against highest frequency is model class. So if you find model class, you can easily find out L, F1, F0 as, put the value, multiply, divide. You will get your answer. Well, now let me start question number 6, the last example of this exercise number 14.2, that is how to find out the mode of a data. Well, now let me start example number 6. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on the road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarize in the given table. Find the mode of the data. Well, classes are given to you. The first class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Now the frequencies are 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 5, 15 and 8. Sorry, 15 and 8. Now your question is to find out mode of a data. You know the formula? So Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Well, so from this table, the maximum frequency is 20. And that's why the model class is 40 to 50. So, model class is equal to 40 to 50. So, L is equal to 40. Friends, frequency against this model class is known as F1. So, F1 is equal to 20. So, F0 is equal to 12. F2 is equal to 11. And the value as H is equal to 10 minus 0. 20 minus 10 means 10. So put the value in this example. What is your L? L means 40 plus F1 means 20 minus F0 means 12 upon 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. Very simple. So 40 plus 20 minus 12 means 8. You can multiply by 10. So 8 into 10 upon 20 to 40 minus 10, 20, 23. 12 plus 11, 10, 20 and 23. So 40 plus 80 upon 7, so 17. So the answer is 40 plus, divide 80 by 17. 17 5s are 85. So you can't multiply by 5. So you get something 4.5. So let me write here 4.5. So your answer is 44.5. That is your Z. That is mode of a data. Well, so friends, in exercise number 14.2, there are 6 examples. And in all examples, we have to find out the value of the mode. We have already solved all 6 examples for your practice. And in all 6 examples, you have to use same formula. That is Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F2 minus F0 into H. So first of all, find out model class, model class, model class. The frequency again model class is known as F1. Previous class that is known as F0. Next class that is known as what? F2. And you know how to find out class length. Find out this, put the value, multiply and divide, you will get mode of a data. Well, friends, as you know, in this chapter only three concepts are there: mean, mode and median. 14.2, exercise number 14.1, that is mean of a group data. 14.2, that is mode of a group data. And the next very important part of this chapter is median of a group data. You know the median is denoted by M. The formula of M is L plus N by 2 minus CFI, means cumulative frequency, upon Fi into H. So here you have to find out the value of L. Similarly, you have to find out the N by 2. N means total number of observation. CFI means cumulative frequency. Fi means frequency. And H means class length. So, if you know to find out these five things, put the value of these five things in this formula of M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CFI upon Fi into H. You can easily find out the value of the median of a data. Well, so friend, next period we will start exercise number 14.3, that is on the basis of the median of a data. So we have already completed two parts, mean and mode of a group data. Now the remaining part is median of a group data. In next period we will start how to find out the median of a data, that is for group data. Thank you friends. Thank you.